Inflate your balloons. First, tie your balloons. We recommend you using the tying tool in your Shimmer Confetti kit to protect your fingers. Next, put your balloons on your decorating strip. We recommend skipping holes on your decorating strip so your garland is not tight. Use your 5-inch balloons to fill spaces using glue dots. We'll be going for the garland over the sweet table look. Place your command hooks on a wall and hang your balloon garland. Install your command hooks on your banner and hang it on the wall. And that's it. You don't need a hammer. Subscribe to our channel for more pro tips and deals. Shimmer and Confetti.